Hi everybody, good morning. Am I audible?
Hello, Anji. Good morning. Yes, your voice audible.
Okay, fine. So in yesterday class, we discussed about how to move update sets from update source and how to move update sets from team dashboard we have learned. Okay. In today class, we are going to learn how to merge update sets, and how to send data from one instance to another instance via update sets. Okay, you can see these two things from the update sets concept. So here you can see, guys. So for example, I'm going to local update set. So I need one Servicenow instance. Please give me if you have fresh Servicenow instance. Yes. Here I'm going to local update set. Okay. So here you can see we have leave management system V1, leave management system V2. Okay. So I'm planning to merge these two. Maybe first of all, I will create another update set, leave management system V3, RR iPhone, Leo, and V3. Okay, submit and make current. Yes, we have successfully created another update set, leave management V3. Okay. Yes. Yes, leave management V3. Now here I'm going to leave management. Now here I'm going to leave management. I'm going to create a few data. Okay. So employee name is, for example, I will select Anji user, cash emergency contact number 12345678990. For example, personal leave. Okay. So start date and date also. This one. Yes. I'm saving it. Okay. I have created one record successfully. Okay. Again, I'm going to create a new record. That's why directly I'm modifying in URL. If it is -1, it is a new record, right? Yes. Next, Ashok. So maybe sick leave. So maybe I'm applying leave for today. Okay. So I'm saving another record. Wait. I'm saving it. Yes. In the leave management system, I have successfully created two records. In the leave management system, I have successfully created two records. Perfect. We can check whether this data is captured in update set or not. Going to local update set, and our current update set is V3, leave management system V3. Okay, I opened this. Tell me, guys, is data captured here in the update set? Yes. Yes or no? Is data captured? No, data is not captured. Okay. Yes. Maybe I'm also keeping number of days. That's fine. Yes, you can see if we see here, the data is not captured here. The data is not captured here. I want to make data is captured. I want to keep data is captured in this update set. So we can go to the new management system table and you can select what are the records you are planning to capture in the update set. You can select those records and you can go to the actions list action here create application file. You can make create application file. Okay. Yes. I'm clicking on OK. Wait. So 2 records was captured in this update set. Captured or not with metadata snapshot. 2 records captured or not here you can see. Yes or no? Tell me guys, 2 records was captured. So you can see 1023, 1024. You come and refresh here. You can see 1023, 1024. Okay, got it. Data is successfully captured here. Data is successfully captured here. Next. Yes, this is how we have captured data. Now I'm going to team dashboard. Now I'm going to team dashboard. So once this data will move to the Ravi's instance, and I will show you how we are going to move in progress update sets. Okay, so this update set is in progress. Still, I'm going to this team dashboard, and I'm filtering with this update set. Show matching. Next, Q all for push. Okay, I'm saying yes. I selected my configurations here. I'm keeping Q all for push. Yes, ready to push. I'm directly pushing it. Yes. Now these 2 records are available with Ravi instance. Okay. RR New management system. I'm saying V4. Why? Because of we already one update set have in Ravi instance with V3. That's why I'm keeping V4. So here we have to check. So whether all the configurations available here are your configurations or not. So unfortunately, here these 2 are my configurations only. That's why I'm not it's not required to filter. Okay. So otherwise, so if you found we have multiple configurations, you have to filter your update set. Okay. Yes, I also filtered it and making push changes. Yes, I'm closing it. Yes, we have successfully moved our data to the Servicenow instance. Okay, data to Servicenow instance. Wait. Copying this URL, and you can check in Ravi instance whether data is came to Ravi instance or not. Okay. Just log in. Guys, if anybody have new Servicenow instance, please give me. If your Servicenow instance is not used in our class, please give me one instance. 1 minute, it's loading. Is there any internet issue from my end? Everything okay, guys? Jay Sri Karunakar.
Yes, Andy, it's perfect.
Yeah. Okay, fine. Thank you. Now here you can come and we can open leave management system. So guys, 2 records came or not, but here employee name is showing empty. Why? Because of so Anji user and Ashok user not available in the Ravi instance. That's what it is showing empty. Okay. If those 2 user records are there, it will not show as empty. Okay, it will not show as empty. Okay, guys, perfect. Next. So moving off data, you have any queries, please let me know. Yes. Okay, fine. Next, you can see, I want to merge update sets. You can go to the, so for example, here if you go to the local update set, we have leave management system V1, V2, V3. Okay, so I'm also keeping this in completed state. Okay, if you want to keep in progress, yes, you can keep. Yes. So if we want to move leave management system application to another environments, we have to move updates at v1, we have to move updates at leave management system v2, v3, right? 3 updates we have to move. So it's not required actually. Moving 3 update sets is not required. You can you can merge these 3 update sets to one, and you can send only one update set to another instance. Okay. Yes. If anybody has Servicenow instance, please give me your instance details. Yes. You can come to here. You can go to the system update sets. You can go to the system update sets. Okay. Under this, so here you can see merge update sets, merge completed sets. Okay. We have merge update sets and merge completed sets. So if your update sets are in completed state, you can keep merge completed sets. If your update sets are in progress state, you can keep merge update sets. Now all 3 our update sets are in completed state. That's why I'm going to merge completed sets. Okay. Yes, I have clicked on merge completed sets. Yes, perfect. Here we have our merge completed sets. And I'm filtering these update sets here. Wait. Leave management system. I'm filtering with this keyboard. Yes, here are wait. Leave management system. Why? What about V3? Maybe I will filter with only leave. Yes, here you can see. Okay, here management spelling wrong. That's why it is not came in filter. Okay, here you can see I kept leave management V1, V2, V3. Okay, filter condition here. Yes, the all 3 update sets I have to merge. So before merging, I'm opening V1, V2, V3. Okay, before opening, I'm opening update sets. Okay, so I'm also exporting it. For backup, I'm exporting. Okay, guys. For backup, I'm exporting. Okay, perfect. Now here you can see in V1 update set, how many configurations we have? In V1 update set, how many configurations we have? Yes. Tell me, guys. In V1 update
44.
set, 44. Yes, perfect. In V2, right? V1 44 configurations we have. Extra V2 update sets. In V2, we have 23. Okay. Yes. In V3, 2. Okay, guys. So these are the configurations count in each update set. Yes or no? So total, how many configurations we have? 44, 46, 49, 69. Yes. 69, right? Yes, 69. 40, 20, 60, 9, 69. Okay, perfect. Now you can come. And I'm merging it. I'm closing all the update sets here. Okay, I'm merging it. I'm saying RR-leave management system merge V1. I'm saying like this: leave management system merge V1. Okay, if you want to keep any description of these 3 updates, yes, you can keep here. Okay. Yes, perfect. So I'm saying leave management system merge. Otherwise, I will say maybe leave management system final update set. I will keep like this. Okay. Your wish. Yes. Now, while merging, you have to check here whatever the update sets you are merging. Maybe sometimes by mistake, if you did other users update sets merging, if you do other user update sets merging, once you merge the update sets, we don't have option to unmerge it. Okay, got it? Here we don't have option for unmerging. Okay. Yes, you can keep merge. Wait. 3 update sets are merging into 1 update set. Yes, we have successfully merged our update set. So what about remaining update sets? You can see what's the state of remaining update sets went. It will automatically went to ignore state.
No.
Okay, and the final update set state is into in progress. I'm opening it. Wait, I'm opening it. Here you can see. So here, how many customer updates we have? Yes,
53.
exactly 53. So yes, 69 and minus 53. 6, 1. Okay. We lost 16 customer updates. Yes or no? Yes or no? We lost 16 customer updates. Why? Because of those are the old customer updates. Okay, if we go to the merged update sets, mostly all customizations ignored from V1 only. You can see we have 16 customer updates. Okay, guys, you can see so we have latest customizations from these customizations. Okay, so we modified employee ID in the leave management system V2 customization, right? Yes, that is that configuration is the latest one. That's why it is ignored here and it took that one. Okay, guys, got it, everybody? Yes or no? These are the old customizations from the leave management system V1. Same configurations also available in the V2. V2 leave management system V2 updates. It is the latest one, and that's why it taken latest configurations of these fields. And leave management system V1 customizations was leaved here, ignored here. Okay, got it, everybody? Yes. Now 53 plus 16, 69. Perfect. Our count is came. And remain, you can see the remaining update sets also 0 and 0. Okay. Nothing ignored in V2 or V3. So you can see 0, 0. Now we have only one update set. Now we have only one update set. Okay. So I'm keeping completed. I'm keeping completed. I'm saving it. I'm keeping completed and saving it. I'm doing export to XML. Okay. Yes. If we want to move this update set to another Servicenow instance, if we provide this this update set details, if we provide this update set XML file, then all 3 update sets related configurations will commit automatically. Okay, guys, got it, everybody? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So if I have any Servicenow instance here, then I will move this fresh Servicenow. So without leave management application, in that instance I require. If we have, I will move this update set to that instance and I will show you. Otherwise, it's okay. You know how to move update set from XML, how to move update set from update source and team dashboard. Okay. Yes, you can see. The update set XML file always should be like this. Okay, always should be like this. You can see the payload. Second update set payload. It should be like this. You can see it always captured in update XML only update source. Okay. Yes. And in interviews, we will raise one. We will get one question. Okay, we will get one question. How data is capturing while you creating a record in choice table? How data is capturing in update set while creating an application? How data is capturing while creating a role? How data is capturing while creating a table? Okay, how data is capturing into update set. So for example, you can see as in our Servicenow, everything will be stored in tables or not? Yes, everything will be stored in tables. Okay. For example, we made one field read only. Yes, that is capturing in update set. how it is happening. In interviews, they will ask one question. So if anybody have answer for this, why? Because of those tables contains the attribute update underscore sync. Those tables contains attribute update underscore sync. If we keep attribute update underscore sync for our table, then that table data also will automatically capture in update sets. Got it, everybody? So for example, if I'm going to sys underscore dictionary, sys underscore dictionary dot list. Wait, it's loading. Yes. Attributes. Here I'm checking with update underscore sync. It's loading. Yes, here you can see almost 1704 records are there. That means almost 1704 tables data is capturing in update sets. Okay. Update sync underscore true. Now you can see, for example, why data is capturing while making field read only are mandatory, because of for sys underscore dictionary table, we have updates in true. Maybe we can check with table name. You can see we made update underscore sync true here. So here it is there. Next, why choice data is capturing in update set. Sys underscore choice table have updates in true. Got it? Everybody got it, guys? Yes or no? Why tables data is capturing? Why when you create a table record, it is storing in the table, right? Why it is capturing in update set? Why? Because of we have updates in attributes. This underscore db underscore object, you can say. Got it? For your table, it has to capture automatically in update sets. You have to keep updates in, and type here is collection. Here type is collection. I haven't created this attribute at any time. Okay, I will try. May or may not be possible. Okay, wait. What is our table name? Leave management system, right? Wait. Yeah. Leave management system. Here type is collection. Wait. So it will not available actually. Collection type should not available for personal developer instances. Okay. If we want to create in real time, if we want to create a update sync attribute for any table, your custom table. Okay. So you can able to create. We will not get this kind of error in real time. If we get this kind of error in real time, we have to raise a high ticket for Servicenow. So they will guide us how to create it. Okay. Yes. Next. Yes. Moving data from the updates as we have seen. We have another way to move data. Move data. So again, I'm going to leave management system. Okay, here you can see we have these two records. Here we have these two records. Otherwise, I will go to sys underscore user table also. User.test. Okay. So here I have created two records, right? Wait. Anji or show. Show after. I'm saying show after. So here you can see. Maybe you can. So you can say, for example, I have created these two user records in my Servicenow instance. For example, I'm planning to move this data to Ravi's instance, these two user records too. Ravi, what is your instance ID? Dev9. This one? Yes, I hope this one only. So I'm going to sys underscore user table. So I'm planning to move those two user records to Ravi's instance. Okay. Yes. Now you can see I'm selecting whatever the records I'm planning to move. Yes. You can select export XML. You can keep export XML. Yes, it will download as XML file. Okay, yes. So you can see those two records captured in this XML file. Now you can come to the Ravi's instance. You can right click anywhere, import XML. Here we have import XML. Choose file. With this one, this is our latest update set XML file. Okay, for users. So I'm keeping it upload. So you can see, you will see the two user records, Ashok and Anji. Yes, you can see Ashok and Anji. Yes or no? You are able to see or not here? Ashok and Anji user records. Yes, you are able to
Yes.
see here. And so moving of data by using export XML, import XML. We have one benefit also. Whatever the IDs are assigned to Anji user or Ashok user in dev environment, same IDs will copy to this test environment. I mean Ravi's environment also. Got it? So if we do the import XML, export XML, we'll also carry the same IDs. Okay, we'll also carry the same IDs associated with those records. Okay, that is one benefit. Even if we are moving via update sets also, we'll carry the IDs. For example, if I created Anji user, Ashok user in my training environment, then after if I came to here and by clicking on new, if I create Anji user, Ashok user, the IDs are different, right? So we have to keep data always unique in all three environments in real time. Okay. So if we, in the dev environment we have Anji user, for example, whatever the SysID is assigned to the Anji user, you have to maintain same uniqueness for test and production environments also. Not only for user record, whatever the data it is. Okay, guys, everybody got it? Yes. Export XML and import XML. By using export XML, import XML, we can able to move data. Next, we have another options also. Now we don't require to select because we already filter. So you can right click here, export. If you want Excel sheet data, yes, you can select Excel format. Then the data will be downloaded into the Excel format. Wait, yes, download it. One Excel file is downloaded. You can see how Excel sheet looks like. You can see. Okay, guys, got it, everybody? Yes or no? Yes. Finally, this is about update sets, guys. This is about update sets, and we also seen import data and import XML and export XML. Okay. Yes. So in real time, every day you will get chance to move update sets. Okay, you have to move update sets to another environment without any errors, most probably. So for example, if you are expert in Servicenow coding or maybe Servicenow administration, whatever it may be. So if you don't know how to move update sets to another environment, okay, you are fake. You will identify you are fake. You don't know anything about Servicenow. Maybe you have learned Servicenow. That's what you are able to do each and every concept. Okay, maybe if I ask to create a table, yes, you are able to create. But if you don't know how to move update sets to one environment to another environment properly, okay, it is problem for you. Okay, and today onwards, so please everybody maintain 2 Servicenow instances. Please everybody maintain 2 Servicenow instances. So whatever the examples I'm explaining in our training section, you can implement those examples in one environment by creating update set. Okay. Then once you completed your work, then you can move those changes to next environment by using update set. Okay. Then you are able to learn how to move update sets properly. Guys, from today onwards, everybody has to create a update set. Maybe you can create a update set with concept name, or maybe you can create a update set name with date wise. Okay, maybe for example, RR. For example, saying RR, my short term is RR maybe next concept is import sets. RR import sets today's date, V1303. Okay, V1303. Maybe you can keep updates at name like that, date wise. And every day you can practice in our Servicenow instance, and you can move to the your next environment. Okay, then you easily get how we are moving updates to next environment. Sometimes you will get issues. You can try to resolve those issues. Still, if we are not able to resolve those issues, you can come to me. I will clear it. Okay. Yes, everybody has to create a update set while doing whatever it is. If you are doing something in our instance, you must have update set for that. Okay, without update set, you don't do anything in our Servicenow instances. Yes. Next concept is import sets. And one more thing is, daily I won't create update sets while explaining the next concept, but you have to create update set and you have to practice. Okay, within the update set only. Yes. Next concept is import sets. Next concept is import sets. Yes. What is import set? What is import set? So basically, import sets are help us to move data from various data sources. It may be from Excel sheet, it may be from XML file, it may be from CSV, it may be from different systems. Okay, if you want to move data, we require import sets. Yes, first of all, we can learn the import set definition from docs. So you can say import set enables administrators to import data from various data sources and then map that data into Servicenow tables. Okay. Import sets enable administrators to import data from various data sources and then map that data into a Servicenow tables. Okay. If you want to import data to your Servicenow instance with via various data sources, okay, you can map the data to your Servicenow target tables. Okay. Import sets enable administrators to import data from various data sources and then map that data into a Servicenow tables. Okay, guys, everybody got it? Import set table definition. Import sets enable administrators to import data from various data sources and then map that data into Servicenow tables. I'm keeping this definition. Next, I'm also keeping this URL. Yes. In the import sets, we have data sources, we have transfer maps. Okay. In the import sets, we have data source and transfer maps. You can type import sets here. So you can see under system import sets, we have data sources. Okay. And we have transfer maps. Okay. We have data sources and we have transfer maps. Yes. First of all, I'm going to data sources. Okay. Yes. Next. Data source. Data source. So data source will create a import set table, or we can say data source will create a staging table. Data source will create a staging table. Right. So you can see data source, a record that defines where to get the data import. A data source may be point to a file. It's okay. First of all, I will keep this URL. So yes, so this URL contains all system import sets related definitions. Okay, this will contain all system import sets definitions. Okay, yes, I'm keeping this URL as well here. Next, I'm closing all the tables, sorry, all the files here. And you can say again, I'm going for data source definition, data source in Servicenow. Let's go down. Data sources. Wait, it's loading. Is my voice clear or any disturbances with my voice? Please tell me, guys, whether my internet connection is okay or not.
It's clear, Anil.
Okay, perfect. Yes, here you can see. Data sources are used to create an import set so that data can be processed if necessary prior to being mapped onto a production table. So data sources are used to create an import set. Import set we can also calling as staging table. Okay. Data sources are used to create an import set so that data can be processed if necessary prior to being mapped onto a production table. This is data source definition. So basically in the data sources, we are creating a import set table. Via import set table, we are passing data to the production tables. Okay, we are passing data to the production tables. Yes, what is the I'm also keeping this URL related to data source. And what is the navigation we have under system import sets? Under system import sets. Under system import sets, we have administration. Under administration, we have data sources. Okay. Data sources. So data source table name is sys underscore data underscore something like source, right? Yes, sys underscore data underscore source. Sys underscore data underscore source. Okay, this is the table name for data source. So I'm planning to keep one new data source here. I'm keeping new data source form. This is new data source form. So here you can see what are the types of data sources are here. File, JDBC, LDAP, ODIC, OIDC, REST, custom. Okay, these all are the different types of data sources we have. And here you can see in our class, we are going to explain only file and LDAP. Okay, file and LDAP. If we go to the file, so we have different formats. So from this, we are going to explain about XML, Excel, and CSV. Okay, these three. We are going to explain. Yes. Type data source types. Data source types. Data source types. So you can see. So first one is file JDBC. File JDBC. OIDC. I think OIDC. LDAP. Next. LDAP. So REST to custom. Custom. So load by script, integration hub. Okay, load by script and the integration hub. Yes, guys. So these are the types of data sources. From file, we have subtypes, right? We can also note down those. XML, wait, Excel, CSV, XML, JSON, and next CSV, XML, JSON, Excel, custom, parse by script. Parse by script. Okay. Yes, these are the subtypes in file. Okay. Okay, guys. So these are the data source types. So I'm keeping numbering also. So maybe here I will keep. Okay. Okay, guys. Yes, these are the different types of data sources. So from this, we are going to explain about these things, and this LDAP. Okay, in our class. Next, here you can see what is JDBC. JDBC stands for Java Database Connectivity, right? Yes or no? JDBC stands for Java Database Connectivity. Yes, Java Database Connectivity. Next, OIDC. Oracle identified something we have. I don't remember exact name. OIDC full form. So, okay, Open ID Connect. OIDC stands for Open ID Connect. Next, LDAP. Lightweight Active Directory Protocol. Active Directory Protocol. Wait. So you can say lightweight directory access protocol. Okay, lightweight directory access protocol. Yes, these are the abbreviations for this. Okay, next. Next, I'm going to transfer maps. Next, I'm going to transfer map. Here you can see what is transfer map. Transfer maps. So basically, transfer maps will map columns from staging table and target table. Okay, staging table and target table. Transform maps. Transform maps are help us to map the columns from staging table to target table. Okay. Yes. So you can say a transform map is set of field maps that determine the relationship between fields in an import set and fields in an existing Servicenow table, such as instance or user table. Okay. So a transform map is set of field maps that determine the relationship between fields in an import set and fields in an existing table, existing Servicenow table. Okay. So this is import set transform maps table name. Sorry, transform map definition. Okay. So I'm also keeping URL. I'm also keeping URL here. Under Wait. Navigation is under system. Import sets we have administration. Under administration we have transform maps. Okay. Transform maps. Table name is this underscore transform underscore map. Okay. You can check the table name also. Secondly, this underscore transform underscore map. Okay. I'm copying it. So any queries, guys, from this definition, please let me know if you have any queries. Yes, up to here you have any queries? No? Okay, fine. Now I'm going to create one Excel sheet within my Servicenow instance. Wait, first of all, I will check for the tables. What table is better? My parent, we have my parent, right? How the table name looks like. Yes. Title, name, gender, email. So I'm planning to utilize this my parent table for explanation, guys. I will also check my second table. For import set examples, I'm planning to utilize my parent table or my second table. Okay. What it contains. Oh my God, here we have many fields. Don't require this. My parent table I'm planning to utilize. Okay, I'm going to configure form layout. First of all, whatever the fields I require, I'm only keeping those fields in the form. I don't want tracking ID. I don't want title. I want name. I want gender. I want email ID. I don't want phone. I want manager. Okay, remaining fields I don't want here. Okay, I want only these fields. So here I'm using split also. Name, gender, email. I'm saving it. I'm planning to utilize this my parent table for my import sets example. For gender, we have provided some dependency, right? I'm removing that. For my example, we don't require that dependency here. Okay. Use dependent field. I'm keeping empty and update it. Yes, perfect. Again, I'm going to my parent list view. My parent. So I will keep only required fields here. Configure list layout. I don't want tracking ID. I want name. I want email, gender, manager also I want. Saving it. So maybe created, updated fields also I required. I'm saving it. So you can see, perfect. Now I'm removing all the data from my parent table. I don't want any data here. Okay, for explanation of import sets table. Import set. We will import data from the various data sources. Okay, to this my parent table. Now you can come. I'm going to create one Excel sheet, guys, here. Okay. 1 minute. Go to demo data. Wait. I will open this file. Employee identification, email supervisor. I don't want the. Wait. Maybe. Yes. My parent. Demo data. I'm saying my parent demo data. Where is this? Yes, I'm keeping here. Wait, guys. I will adjust these files, otherwise you guys will confuse. Yes. So here you can see. Here we have my parent demo data. I'm opening this Excel sheet. So first of all, I keep name, gender, email, manager. So I'm creating one file, guys. First of all, name, email, sorry, gender, right? Gender, email, manager. Okay, manager. So for example, here you can see we have name Anji, Anusha, Janaki, Venkat. Okay, fine. So here I'm keeping gender also, male, Anusha, Janaki, Venkat, male. Okay, perfect. Okay, these are the mail addresses. Okay, manager, maybe I'm keeping all manager is Abraham Lincoln. Perfect. Okay, guys. Yes, this is the Excel sheet. This is the Excel sheet. You can see Excel, Microsoft Excel worksheet. Okay, the client has given Excel sheet to me and he is asking to keep this data into the my parent table. Everybody got it? What I have to do? Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
The client has given one Excel sheet. That is this one.
Can you repeat once again, Anji?
The client has given one Excel sheet. Okay. I want to move this data to our my parent table. Got it? The client has given one Excel sheet.
Yeah.
The sheet is this one. We have to move this data to my parent table in our Servicenow instance. Okay. Got it?
Yeah.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Again, I'm opening it. Why it is showing info it demo data? It's okay, fine. Whatever the file name it is. But file name I already changed here. You can see my parent demo data. Still it is showing. Okay, fine. This is our Excel file. Okay. Again, I'm opening. It is showing file name is wrong, guys. Wait. Save as copy, not info it. My parent. Save. Perfect. So you can see. I'm removing this file. Some file names mismatched. That's why I'm doing it. You can see. I'm opening this file. My parent demo data. Our file name is my parent demo data. And this is the data. Name, gender, email, manager we have. Name Anji, Anusha, Janaki, Venkat. We have mail addresses, we have gender values, and we have manager is Abraham Lincoln. Yes, saving it. Now I want to move this data to our Servicenow instance, my parent table. Yes, first of all, I'm going to create a data source. I'm going to create a data source. Okay. Under system import sets, we have data source. I'm opening. Okay. Yes, I'm opening new data source. So here I'm giving name as my parent data source one. My parent data source one. I'm giving this is my data source name, and I'm also providing import set table name. Okay, my import set table name also my parent data source one only. Okay, so if we submit this data source, it will automatically create a one staging table, or you can say one import set table. That import set table should be this one. Okay, if we are planning to send this Excel sheet data, it will not directly go to the my parent table. It will never directly go to the my parent table. First of all, once you submitted this Excel sheet within the data source, it will go, the data go to this table. Then after we will verify the data and columns. Then we will move our my parent data to the my parent table in the Servicenow instance. So what is the file type the client provided? Excel sheet. Yes or no? The client provided by Excel sheet, and he provided some FTP server details, or directly he has given attachment. Yes, he has directly given file. Okay, that's what. First of all, I'm saving this file and I'm attaching this Excel sheet. Okay, yes. I clicked on the attachment icon, choose file. So where is our attachment? Maybe after the class, I will clear the screen. Where is our file? Yes, my parent demo data. This file is in use. I have to close it. Yes, I closed it. Okay, now I'm opening it. Yes, perfect. Yes, we have successfully attached our file. Yes or no? My parent demo data Excel. Now I'm saving this data source. Okay, perfect. I have successfully saved this data source. Now you can see, guys, I'm trying to load all the data to this table, import set table. I'm loading data to this import set table. Whatever the data we have in this Excel sheet, I'm loading the data to this import set table. Okay, here I'm keeping load all records. Yes. Yes. How many records we have processed? 4 records. How many records inserted? 4. Into which table those inserted? To import set table, those records are inserted. If you want to check the logs, you can see, you can go to the loaded data. So you can see under my parent data source 1 import set table, you will find 4 records. You can preview these records for data. You can see Janaki record, this one Anji record, this one Venkat record, this one Anusha record. But you find 4 records in the import set table or not? Yes, you find. Next, you can see if you want to see the import set, you can see here. This is our import set. Okay, import set table name is my parent data source 1. Import set table name is my parent data source 1. Next, yes, you have successfully loaded your Excel sheet data to data import set table. Now you have to move this data to your parent table. You can also check my parent table whether data is moved or not. Definitely it is not moved. So you can see data is not moved as of now. Now here we have the direct link for creating a transform map. I'm creating a transform map. Create transform map. I'm clicking on create transform map. Okay, my parent transform map 1, I'm saying. So my source table is this one. My parent data source 1 is my source table. In which table you are planning to move the data? In which table you are planning to move the data? Tell me, guys. My parent. Yes or no? _my_parent. Yes, this is our target table. Yes, here we have table mappings are done. Now I'm saving it. Okay, so here we have, you can see after you saving transform map file, we have 2 related links: auto map matching fields, mapping assist. Okay, if we click on auto mapping matching fields, if in the Excel sheet field names and the target table field names are same, it will automatically map. If we clicking on auto map matching fields, now I'm clicking on auto map matching fields. You can see field maps are created or not for 4 columns, 4 records here, 4 field maps here: manager, name, gender, email. Why? Because of the column names in the Excel sheet and column names in the table both are same. That's why when clicking on auto map matching fields, field mappings are created. Got it, everybody? Yes or no?
Yeah.
Okay, yes, we have successfully mapped field mappings. Now the next thing is we have to transfer the data from our import set table to target table. Here we can see, here we have transform. You can click on the transform. From the transform map table, you can click on the transform. Whenever you can click on the transform, here your import set table name should be in the selected maps. and again you can click on the transform. In interviews, they will also ask about transform definition. We will note down the transform definition. Okay. In this URL, we have the definition. Transform will move data from import set table to target table. Transform will move the data from import set table to target table. Okay, here you can see the definition somewhere. Yes, transformation, transform or transformation. The conversion of data from an import set table to another table according to the rules defined in a transform map. Okay, this is the definition of transform. Transform definition is this one. Okay, guys. So I'm also keeping this URL again for your reference. Saving. Perfect. I'm closing this. Now, still you can see still data is not transferred to here. Once you click on this transform, the data will move to this my parent table. Yes, it is successful 100%. You can come and refresh here. You are able to see the data. Yes or no? You are able to see data or not? Yes, you are able to see the data here. Anusha, Janaki, Venkat, Anji records. Got it, everybody? How I have moved data to this my parent table? Yes, guys, tell me. Yes. Now you can see this import set log. What happened with this import, transform history and import. You can see this is import set. So in the transform history, you can see we have 4 records and those 4 records are inserted. Okay, got it, everybody? How I have inserted data? Yes or no? So again, I'm going to show you, I will delete this data for your reference. And again, I will show you how to transform data. Okay, maybe at home, you will be practice this. I'm deleting it. Yes. So I'm going to data source here. You can type data source. Under system import sets, we have data sources. Okay. So you can keep updated gateway. So our data source is my parent data source 1. You can open it. Okay. So here you already attached the file. Here you already attached the file. Guys, whenever you want to transform the data from Excel sheet to target table, every time you have to keep load the all records. Yes, here I'm keeping load all records. Okay. Previously, we have created transform map because of we don't have transform map at that time. Now we already created transform map. We already mapped the target table fields with the source table fields. Now I'm making run transform. Okay. Okay. Before going to transform, I will show you my parent table. We don't have any data now. I deleted existing data. You can see there is no data. Now once if I keep transform, the data will be inserted into the my parent table. Got it, everybody? Yes.
Yes,
Yes
sir.
or no? Okay, everybody got it? Yes, perfect. Yes, any queries, please let me know. If you have any queries, please let me know. No? Perfect. So here you can see, guys. So this is the way we can move our Excel sheet data to our target table. Okay, you can also try at home. In tomorrow and maybe day after tomorrow also we'll discuss about this import sets only. So actually before import sets concept, I have to complete if policies. So maybe after this import sets classes, I will complete the update if policies concept. Okay. Yes. So first of all, I will keep attendance. So today we have very less attendance. Yes, guys. So if you have any queries, please let me know. We have 12 more minutes. We'll discuss. Otherwise, we can go to the question and answer section. Any queries up to concepts I have completed?
Yeah, Anji, in this import search, we can run the script too also.
Yeah, we can also do by using script. With the scripting also, I will show you one example. Okay, once we move to the development.
Okay.
Okay. Yes. Yes, please. Any queries?
Is there any difference to import the data by using Excel or another one, XML file? And
Sorry.
is there any difference between we have created update sets by XML and Excel file now for the user data?
Yes. Yes, we have different.
Yeah, what is the difference? Could you
So you
please?
can see we are moving data from update source. If you are moving data from update source, what it means? You are moving data from development environment to production environment. Okay. Okay. Within the
Yeah.
Servicenow instances, you are moving data. So if it is the import set, what happening? Tell me. If it is the import set, you are moving data available in the Excel external files. Okay.
Yeah,
From the
which are
external
not in
files,
the
yeah,
which
you
are
are
not in
moving.
the service now, we are importing the data from the outside of the environment.
Yes, exactly. Even import XML, export XML option also there. That is also within the our service now only. So this import set concepts is completely different. It is for external files. Okay.
Okay, and
Yes.
yeah, my doubt is while we are creating a updates, it's not in the day for the data.
Yes.
Yeah, at that time you created with you created one file relating to XML and another file related to Excel, no, Anji?
Yes.
Yeah, in that case, the data which was stored there,
Mm-hmm.
is it there is any difference there? If for suppose for
So you
in
can say you
XML way,
mean so while importing data by using import XML, export XML, I have downloaded two files. One is in XML format, one is in Excel
uh,
format. We are talking about that, right?
yeah.
So if you want to read the data, if it is XML, it is difficult for you. Okay. I just showed you how many formats you can able to download the data. Okay. Yes. This underscore user, this is Excel sheet, this is XML file. So if it is XML file, are you able to understand how the data looks like? No. So if it is Excel file, it is readable format. Okay.
Yeah, it is readable, Anji. I understand. In XML file, what is the data is captured? I'm
So you
asking
can
about
say whatever the data you have filtered there, the data is captured here. In the user table, while importing, while exporting this Excel sheet, I have filtered only
yeah,
these
you
two
filtered
records.
these things and we got the email ID, name of the candidate, user ID, we
Yes,
got in XML file. Which I
yes,
mean this
yes,
Excel file.
yes,
In
exactly.
XML also we get the
Yeah,
same
yeah, we
data
get
or
the same data. You can see here. Along with that, so we have created, updated, and some sysids. Those also will come. Okay, entire user
yeah,
record will come. If it is
yeah. I
a
am asking that one. We
yes,
also
if
get
it
the
is
SysID
a
here.
yeah, if it is a XML, along with sysid, you will get all entire user record data. Okay, here you can see this is one user record data. This is one user record data. Okay, two user records, right? This contains one user record data. This contains one user record data. For example, I'm opening this one. You can say active, calendar integration, company, cost center, date format, default perspective, email, employee number, everything you will come.
Everything related to
Yes.
that user is capturing here.
Capturing via XML. Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
If it
Yeah.
is a PDF, or if it is a CSV, Excel, or JSON, you will not get entire data. Okay, whatever the fields you are able to see in the list view, you will get only those data.
Yeah, fine. Thank you.
Okay, fine. So we have 6 more minutes. So please let me know if you have any queries. Yes, guys. So from the previous classes, from the question and answer section, we have completed up to ITSM. Okay, I have completed up to ITSM. So one more time, I'm asking a few questions randomly from the entire ITSM. What is incident? What is incident? Yes, somebody tell me. Guys, every day I'm asking questions. You have to answer. You have to prepare and come for the classes. Okay. If you are not answering for the questions, it's time waste. 20 minutes time waste for every day. It will help you for revision kind. If I'm asking some questions and you are answering for that. Okay. Yes, what is incident?
Incident is an unplanned interruption to the IT service or reduction in quality of IT service or failure of CA that has not yet impacted on IT service.
Okay. What are the states in incident management? What are the states in incident management?
Yes, Sanjay sir. The stage in incident management is new, in progress, on hold, resolved, close, cancel.
Perfect. Next. What is change? What is change request? What is change or what is change request? What is change request? Yes, please. Guys, please don't take this much time. Please answer for it. It's small definition, right? What is change request? And what are the states in normal change? Yes, please.
Change is nothing but it is modification or removal option, anything that could have affect the IT service.
Yes. Change is addition, modification, or removal of anything that could have effect to IT service. Okay. Yes. What are the states in normal change request? Yes.
New assess,
Okay.
audit, audit or authorize, like authorize,
Yes.
scheduled,
Authorize. Yes.
scheduled, implement,
Yes.
review, and closed.
Okay, fine. So change request state, normal change request states are new, assess, authorize, schedule, implement, review, close, and cancelled. Okay, these are the states in normal change request. So what is the parent table for incident, problem, and change?
Task table.
Task table. Okay, task table. So next. What is problem? What
Problem
is
is the root
problem?
cause of one or more incidents.
So, okay. So somebody explain the procedure how to close the incident by resolving a problem. How to resolve a incident by closing a problem. How to resolve a incident by closing a problem. Yes. How to resolve a incident by closing a problem. Yes, we have seen this use case, right? Yes, please.
Actually, we'll create a problem from incident. So
Okay.
if the problem got solved means, the root cause analysis was done
Mhm.
means automatically incidents will get closed.
Okay. Yes. So basically, it's not like directly creating problem from instead. Either you can create problem from directly from instead, or you can create problem manually. Okay. Then after creation of a problem, you can map your instance under the problem. Okay. Thereafter you can go to the instance record. So mostly automatically it will set to instant management state to on hold, and on hold reason is awaiting problem. Okay, once your problem is closed, then automatically your instant is resolved. Okay. Yes. Yes, I'm stopping here. So we have 1 minute. And guys, maybe in tomorrow section, I will ask question and answers. I will start class for the import sets. So I will ask entire ITSM questions. Okay. So please prepare for that and come to the class tomorrow, maybe. Okay. So
Anji,
Anji,
yes, tell me. Yes.
as of now, our syllabus as a course content concept, where it had been done
No, I didn't get your question.
in Servicenow administration concept, right?
Yes.
As of now, you're
You want syllabus?
yeah, according to syllabus, as of now, where we are now.
Okay, fine. I will show you the syllabus. Guys, tomorrow everybody prepare for ITSM and come to the class. We'll do the question and answer section for tomorrow. Okay. Yes, we have completed introduction, versions, user interface, ITSM, tables, applications, modules, update sets, users, roles, groups. Up to here, it is completed. Okay.
Okay.
Yes. I'm keeping in green color, completed concepts. Next. Now we are working with this one, import sets. Once import sets completed, I will go to the web policies again. Okay. I forgot about this concept. This is very, very important concept of web policies. After import sets, we are going to discuss. Okay. So maybe for administration, web policies will take 2 to 3 days. Import sets will take 3 days, 5 days. This will take 3 days, 8 days. So this will take 1 day, 9 days, 10. Maybe still I require 10 to 12 classes for completing entire administration. Okay. Okay, guys. Yeah, perfect. Thank you all.
okay.
We'll meet you
Anji,
tomorrow.
Thank you,
Yes.
Anji. Thank you.
Yes, please.
yeah, what about the REST integration? You will be covering in development?
Yes,
Or...
in development. We will get those concepts in development. Okay.
Okay.
Perfect. Thank you all.